How to fix Instagram story music not working. In today's video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to open your settings of your phone, then open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Instagram. Open Instagram like this, scroll down and click on storage. Now click on clear cache, and then you have to back and click on force stop, click OK. And what's next guys, you have to go and restart your phone. After restarting your phone, go to your Play Store and update your Instagram. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.